Welcome to AdSense, where we explore innovative ways to earn money on YouTube without relying on traditional monetization methods. YouTube doesn't have to be limited to traditional monetization methods like AdSense. There are numerous alternative ways to generate income. Even without a huge audience, you can still find effective strategies to earn on the platform. One of the most popular methods is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Another effective strategy is creating and selling your own merchandise, leveraging your brand, and engaging with your audience. You can also offer online courses or digital products to your viewers, sharing your expertise in a specific niche. Crowdfunding is another valuable option, allowing your fans to support your channel directly through platforms like Patreon. Sponsorships can provide substantial income where brands pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Engaging with your audience through live streams can also be a lucrative avenue, providing opportunities for donations and tips in real time. Lastly, leveraging social media to redirect traffic to your YouTube channel can help in building a broader audience and increasing earning potential. To embark on the journey of affiliate marketing on YouTube, start by identifying a niche that genuinely interests you and has potential for profitable products. Next, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, such as tutorials, reviews, or informative videos related to your chosen niche. Incorporate your affiliate links into the video description, ensuring they are easy to find but not overwhelming for viewers. Utilize compelling calls to action throughout your video, encouraging viewers to check the description for exclusive deals and recommendations. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for their feedback on the products you promote, building a sense of community. Leverage social media platforms to share snippets of your videos and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel, expanding your reach without needing a large subscriber base. Experiment with search engine optimization techniques to enhance the visibility of your videos using relevant keywords related to your niche and affiliate products. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche to tap into their audiences, providing mutual benefits and increased exposure for your affiliate products. Monitor your analytics to assess which videos and products resonate most with your viewers, allowing you to refine your strategy for greater success. Earning money on YouTube without making videos is a revolutionary concept that allows anyone to tap into the lucrative world of content creation without ever showing their face. One effective method is to create faceless videos using compilations of popular clips, which can attract viewers while saving you the hassle of on-camera appearances. Additionally, utilizing stock footage can enhance your videos significantly, providing high-quality visuals without the need for personal filming. Incorporating voiceovers into your videos can add personality and engagement, helping to convey your message effectively without needing to appear on camera. Simple editing techniques such as adding transitions and background music can elevate your content, making it more professional and appealing to viewers. Moreover, leveraging royalty-free content ensures that you stay within YouTube's guidelines, while providing unique and engaging visuals for your audience. To succeed, consistency is key. Uploading regularly can help grow your channel and attract a loyal audience over time. Finally, monitoring your analytics is essential. It enables you to understand what content resonates most with your viewers and adjust your strategy accordingly. To create a successful automated YouTube channel for passive income, start by defining your niche and target audience to ensure your content resonates with viewers. Next, research and select effective video creation tools that utilize AI to generate engaging content without requiring extensive manual effort. Once you've selected your tools, automate the video uploading process by using scheduling features within YouTube to ensure consistent content delivery. Additionally, implement SEO strategies to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your content. Establish a content pipeline by creating batch videos, allowing you to produce multiple pieces of content in one sitting, thus maximizing efficiency. To keep your channel engaging, consider implementing automated tools for community interaction, such as responding to comments or managing social media posts related to your videos. Finally, monitor your channel's analytics regularly to understand viewer engagement trends, allowing you to adapt your content strategy for maximum passive income potential. By continuously refining your approach based on analytics and viewer feedback, you can ensure that your automated YouTube channel remains relevant and profitable over time. YouTube Shorts offers an exciting opportunity for creators to monetize their content, even without a significant subscriber base. To make the most of this medium, focus on creating engaging and visually captivating content that resonates with your audience. Utilize trending music and sounds to enhance your shorts, as they can significantly increase engagement and reach. Incorporate compelling calls to action within your videos, encouraging viewers to explore your affiliate offers or products. Experiment with different formats and styles, such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks, or challenges, to find what resonates best with your viewers. Leverage hashtags strategically to increase discoverability and tap into larger conversations happening on the platform. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging shares, which can help boost your video's visibility. Analyze your performance regularly, using YouTube's analytics tools to understand what works and refine your strategy accordingly. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Finally, stay updated on YouTube's monetization policies and explore new features as they become available to maximize your earning potential. The key to success lies in understanding your target audience and addressing their needs directly in your content. In the digital age, selling products has transformed. Now, even creators with minimal subscribers can effectively showcase their offerings on platforms like YouTube. Utilizing engaging visuals and clear explanations will help capture and maintain viewers' attention throughout your videos. Incorporating storytelling into your videos can create a connection with your audience, making them more likely to trust your recommendations. Including a strong call to action at the end of your videos directs viewers to your sales funnel and encourages them to make a purchase. Leveraging social proof such as testimonials or success stories can significantly boost the credibility of your digital products. Collaborating with other creators, even those with smaller audiences, can help you tap into new networks and broaden your reach. Consistency in posting can establish a routine for your viewers, making them more likely to return and engage with your content over time. Utilizing SEO strategies in your video titles, descriptions, and tags can help you reach a wider audience searching for related content. Sponsorships aren't just for big influencers. Even those with a small audience can successfully secure brand deals. To start, you need to effectively pitch yourself to potential brands that align with your niche. Create a compelling sponsorship proposal that highlights your unique value and audience engagement. Research and target companies that are looking for creators in your specific niche to make your outreach more effective. Tailor your communication style to reflect the brand's voice and mission, ensuring a personalized approach. Highlight any audience metrics or engagement statistics, even if they're modest, to demonstrate your potential value. Be proactive in following up after your initial pitch, as persistence can set you apart from others. Once you secure a deal, focus on delivering high-quality content that exceeds the brand's expectations. After the campaign, provide feedback and insights to the brand, showcasing your professionalism and encouraging future collaborations. Building strong relationships with brands can lead to long-term partnerships and more lucrative opportunities down the line. Always stay authentic to your brand and audience, as genuine content resonates better and fosters trust with both viewers and sponsors. YouTube has become a powerful tool for entrepreneurs looking to drive traffic to their dropshipping stores even without a subscriber base. Creating engaging content that subtly promotes your dropshipping products can significantly increase your visibility and sales. Utilizing effective SEO techniques will help your videos rank higher in search results, attracting organic traffic to your store. Experimenting with various content types, such as tutorials, unboxings, and reviews, can engage viewers and highlight your product's unique features. Incorporating compelling thumbnails and catchy titles can entice viewers to click on your videos, boosting your chances of generating traffic. Engaging with your audience in the comments section fosters community and encourages potential customers to learn more about your offerings. Collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche can expand your reach and introduce your dropshipping products to new audiences. Lastly, analyzing your video performance through YouTube. Analytics allows you to fine-tune your strategy and maximize your dropshipping success. You don't need a large following to benefit from YouTube's powerful search engine, as even without subscribers, your content can still reach millions. Exploring SEO techniques specifically for ranking videos can turn your small audience into significant earnings. Optimizing video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails is essential to rank for search queries effectively. Each element plays a crucial role in how your video is discovered and how viewers interact with your content. By incorporating relevant keywords into your video titles and descriptions, you can improve visibility in search results. Using effective tags can further enhance your video's discoverability by associating it with similar content on the platform. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is vital, as they often serve as the first impression of your video for potential viewers. Engaging viewers within the first few seconds of your video can significantly reduce bounce rates and increase watch time. Encouraging viewers to like, share, and comment can foster community interaction and boost your video's ranking in the algorithm. Finally, consistency in uploading content and adhering to SEO practices can lead to long-term success and passive income. To earn money from YouTube views without a large subscriber base, creators must explore various alternative monetization options beyond AdSense. One effective approach is to join alternative ad networks that cater specifically to YouTube creators, allowing them to earn from their view counts. Additionally, revenue-sharing platforms can provide a valuable source of income by connecting creators with brands looking to sponsor content. Creators can also consider affiliate marketing by promoting products or services in their videos, earning a commission for each sale made through their unique links. Engaging with your audience through social media can drive traffic to your YouTube channel, increasing views and potential revenue. Utilizing merchandise sales or crowdfunding platforms can further diversify income streams, allowing creators to earn directly from their loyal fan base. Finally, optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags can improve visibility on search engines, attracting more views regardless of subscriber count. By consistently experimenting with content formats and trends, creators can find what resonates with their audience, ultimately boosting viewership and earnings. Step 10 teaches you how to effectively create engaging content that empowers your audience to monetize their efforts through YouTube's unique features and external platforms, bypassing the need for AdSense or a large subscriber base. Imagine sharing your personal success stories and strategies that resonate with viewers, helping them envision their journey towards monetization. Incorporating visuals and practical tips will not only enhance your message, but also keep your audience captivated throughout the content. Encourage viewers to interact by asking questions and inviting them to share their own experiences in the comments section. Finally, remind them to like and subscribe for more valuable content, fostering a sense of community around their learning journey. By cultivating this community, you'll help your audience feel connected and supported as they navigate the exciting world of monetization. Ultimately, your goal is to empower your audience with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed without relying solely on traditional monetization methods. As they implement these strategies, watch as their confidence and creativity flourish, opening up new possibilities for growth and income.